Self friend, this is Adnan. So today I will talk about me, my family and my house. So I am 11 years old. I read in class 6. My institution name is Shahpuran Rahmatullahi High School. I am my father's third son. We live in Sylhet. My father is an engineer and my mother is a homemaker. We are 4 members in our family. They are me, my mother, my elder brother, my elder sister, and my father lives in Singapore. We had a lot of fun in our dinner. We live in second floor of a third-story building. After dinner, we like to watch TV. My father and my mother love me and my siblings very much. Thank you for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.